Good morning and welcome to my latest video. Today I got up at the crack of dawn. We had a power cut last night, so I went to bed ridiculously early. And I've come to a remote temple up in the hills, about half an hour's ride from my house, which actually I came to the other day. My friend brought me, and without her help I would have never have found this place, but I didn't have the camera with me then, so I thought I'd come back. Really nice statues up there. The place itself is in need of a bit of TLC, a bit of restoration, but I thought it was worthwhile filming, mainly for the statues, so I hope you enjoy it. And as with any temple in this part of the world, it's up on a hill, so most of the riding is going to be upwards. So this area here is a camping area, much beloved by the Boy Scouts apparently. This is almost like an English country road if it wasn't for the palm trees. So I think this is the main entrance to the camping area. Had all the chairs out yesterday, there was something going on. And here we have a mini dam. In fact, I'm told the Thais don't actually call it a dam because it's too small. But this is Major Dam in English. Seen 2 or 3 signs telling people not to set fire around here. I can't see any signs of burning, so hopefully they worked. See, we can park here and mow, and we're not quite at the temple yet, but this is sort of here. I presume it's something to do with the temple. And we also have this fella guarding the place. Right, time to hop back on the bike and we'll go up to the temple proper. Okay, so this is the building at the top of the temple grounds. They seem to like their snakes here. The temple is guarded by snakes. You can see what I mean about the place needs a bit of a tidy up. It needs an army of gardeners, I think. As you can see, we've got the snakes guarding the other side of the temple as well. Some nice animal statues here. But like everything, it's in need of a bit of spit and polish, I think. So you do get a bit of a view from this place, but it's so surrounded by forests that it's not the long distance stuff like I've shown you in other temples. And we got cyclists. This is a popular place for cyclists to come, apparently. absolutely perfect for the 360 camera. So let's see what it makes out. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed having a look around this temple. If you have and you'd like to see more of some of the beautiful things around the Chiang Mai area, please like, share, love you to subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again for another video. Thank you very much.